Under the topic percentages, we will discuss about, first of all, we will discuss from profit percentage. Before that, you have to know what is a profit. Profit means a seller has earned more than he spent. Okay, seller have to receive more than he spent. Okay, if am I a seller? Okay, I'm a seller. 50 rupees. I bought a pencil for 50 rupees. Okay, I bought a pencil for 50 rupees. But I cannot sell this pencil to customers as 50 rupees. Okay, because I am buying from a company. I need some profit because I need some money from this business. Okay, so I am going to sell it for 60 rupees. Okay, I am going to sell it for 60 rupees. So in this case, this seller will receive some kind of profit. Profit means the amount. He spent 50 rupees to buy this pencil. When he sells, he will receive more than what he spent already. Okay, that is called as profit. That is the easiest explanation for profit. To find the profit, okay, to find the profit from the selling price of that particular product, you have to think logically. Okay, this is the selling price of that product. Okay, 60 rupees. From 60 rupees, you should subtract what is the initial price of that product. Okay, he spent 50 rupees to buy that product. So this is the initial price of that pencil. So from the selling price, you have to subtract the buying price of that pencil to receive profit. Okay, this is the way you have to find your profit. But this for some examples, in some cases we need to find profit percentages. Okay, we'll discuss how to find profit percentages situations. Okay, this is the formula to find your profit percentages. Profit upon initial price multiplied with 100. What it means? Okay, let's discuss this little deeper than this. Okay, for this example, I bought a pencil for 50 rupees. I am going to sell that in my shop for 60 rupees. So I'll receive 10 rupees more than what I spent earlier. So that 10 rupees is the profit of this business. Okay, from selling a pencil, I'll receive 10 rupees. This is the profit of this business. Then we will discuss another thing that's more important than this. That is profit percentages. Okay, what is the profit percentages? How can we measure? How can we find the profit percentage? Okay, for that, profit percentage equals to profit down that initial price multiplied with 100. Okay, here we have to substitute the particular values to find our profit percentages. It's very easy. Okay, don't complicate it. It's very easier than you think. Okay, here what is the initial price of this product? Here the product is pencil. So the initial price of this pencil is 50 rupees. Okay, in the denominator I have to substitute initial price as 50 rupees. Then profit. Okay, by selling this pencil, I'll receive 10 rupees profit. That's what we found earlier. Okay, profit. 10 rupees profit. Okay, here why we are writing this fraction? Okay, this is a fraction. Why we are writing this fraction? In the denominator, you should indicate the initial price of that product. Okay, I bought the pencil for 50 rupees. When I'm selling, I'll receive 10 rupees more than what I spent. So, 10 upon 50 multiplied with 100. Okay, if the product price is 50 rupees, I'll receive 10 rupees. Okay, but this is not for every cases. Okay, this is not the exact percentage for not every cases, but we have to standardize. This value. Okay, for 50 rupees he will receive 10 rupees. Likewise, we have to find if the product price is 100 rupees, how much he will receive. That is called as profit percentages. So that you have to simplify this formula to get your answer in percentages. Okay, percentages. Okay, let's simplify this. This 0, first of all I'll simplify this 50 with this 100. 150 is a 50, 250s are 100. Then after we have to multiply the numerators. Here 10 and then 2. 10 twos are 20. So 20 percentage. 20 percentage is the profit percentage for this business. Okay. Why we are finding this profit percentages? Okay, that is a major question because we know if the pencil price is 50 rupees, he'll receive 10 rupees as profit. But to a standard value, we are going to indicate that for 100. Okay, what this 20 percentages indicate, that means if he sell a product for if he sell a product for 100 rupees, from that business he will receive 20 rupees as his profit. Okay, this 20 percentage means 20 upon 100. Okay, when we write the percentages as a fraction, this is the way you have to represent. What it means, the initial price of that product is 100, he will receive 20 rupees as his profit from that business. So this is the way you have to substitute the according values to get profit percentage. Okay, this is the easiest explanation. Don't complicate with this formula. Okay, don't complicate with this formula. To find profit percentage, you should know the initial price. For that price, he will receive some extra amount. That is our profit. This fraction should be multiplied with 100. That will give you the respective profit percentage. Okay. Okay, our first question, starting price of a watch is 800 rupees. The seller decided to sell that watch to 1000 rupees. Okay, in here there are two questions. First one, what is the profit? Second one, profit percentage. Okay, we know how to find the profit and profit percentage already. Okay, try to do this question by yourself. Then after we will discuss this question. Yeah. Starting price of a watch is 800 rupees. The seller decided to sell that watch to 1000 rupees. So to find the profit, you have to identify which is the selling price of this watch. Okay, what is the selling price? So that is 1000. From 1000, you have to subtract 800, the starting price. So that will give you 200 rupees. Okay, 200 rupees is the profit from this business. Next question, profit percentage. Okay, to find profit percentage, what is the initial price of this watch? That is 800 upon, from this business, how much he will earn as profit? That is 200. Okay, for 800, he will receive 200 rupees as percentage. So how much for 100? How much for 100? How much for 100? That is the standardized value for percentages. Okay, then we'll simplify as much as we can to find our answer. Okay, I'll repeat once more. In the denominator, you should indicate the starting price of this watch. Okay, in the numerator, from this, okay, this is your initial price, and over that you have to indicate 200 rupees. Okay, if the starting price of a product is 800 rupees, while selling that to some amount, he will receive 200 rupees as his profit. So for 800, if it is 200, we have to find how much for 100. That's why we are multiplying this particular fraction by 100. Okay, then let's simplify. We can simplify this 0 and this 0 with this 0. Then 200 should be divided by 8. When you divide 200 by 8, you will receive your answer as 25 percentage. 25 percentage. 25 percentage is the profit percentage from this business to that seller. Okay, this question says a vendor bought an umbrella for 1200 rupees. He will sell that for 1650. What is the profit? Okay, here, what is the selling price of this umbrella? 1650. From that, you have to subtract the initial price, that is 1200. When you subtract, you will receive your answer as 450 rupees. This is the profit from this business. This is the profit from this business. Next question, profit percentage. Okay, to find profit percentage, what is the initial price of this umbrella? That is 1200 rupees. Okay, for this 1200 rupees, he will receive his profit as 450 rupees. 450 rupees. For 1200, he will receive 450 as his profit. So, 400, we have to find our percentage. So, that will be, we will substitute, simplify. These two zeros can be simplified with these two zeros. Then after you have to divide 450 by 12. Okay, 450 divided by 12. Okay, when you divide 450 by 12, you will receive your answer as 37.5 percentages. Okay, 37.5 percentages. In this business, you should find the profit. From the last price, 1,650, you should subtract 1,200. 450 is the profit. Okay, then after to find profit percentages, what is the initial price of this product? That is 1,200. For 1,200, he will receive 450 rupees as his profit. So 100 we have to find, that is our profit percentage is 37.5 percentages. Okay, let's see this question. Okay, this is little different than the previous one. A seller earns a profit of 25 percentages by selling a novel price 300 rupees. Okay, 300 rupees means the starting price of that book, that novel is 300 rupees. Okay, what is the profit? Okay, we have to recall our memory. Okay, here you have to find 400. Okay, if the product price is 100, he will receive 25 rupees as his profit. By looking at this percentage, you should get a conclusion like this. If the product price is 100, while selling, he will receive 25 rupees percentages. That's why indicated by this 25 percentages. That means 25 upon 100. Okay, 25 upon 100. This is the expansion of this percentage. Then after, if the product is 100 rupees, he will receive 25 rupees. But here the product's starting price is 300 rupees. No, 300 rupees. For 300 rupees, how much he will get as his profit? Okay, then we will simplify to get our answer. Okay, this 0 and this 0 can be simplified with these two zeros. After that, 25 times 3, it's 75 rupees. 75 rupees is the profit. Okay, then for selling price, okay, for selling price, there are some formulas, but don't do that by using formula. Okay, this is the initial price. With that price, he have to include his profit. Okay, this is the price. He bought the novel to him. Okay, novel to his shop. So with this, he will include the profit and sell that book, sell that novel for 375 rupees. 375 rupees.